Very good morning, friends. My name is Vinod Kumar. I basically originated from India but living in UAE. Yeah, I was doing Forex for, as a beginner from last 4 or 5 months. I accidentally went to the YouTube and I typed multi-frame analysis or something like that. Uh, and a video of Mr. Ali Bais has popped up, and I watched that 8 minutes or 18 minutes video, I don't know, that one. And I was astonished, how clearly explaining the step by step and everything. And I thought this is looks like something very interesting. So I went to the link below the video, and I went to the Forex Academy and started listening some lesson number one. After lesson number one, I'm not able to stop that video. Actually, this course was designed for 30 days, I believe. uh, but I finished 21 videos in 3 days. It's like so interesting and explaining very nicely that I'm not able to pause the video itself. And now I was very confident about the support and resistance. So what we can say, the trend lines or the moving averages, how the trend changes, how to investigate certain areas by going into lower time frames. It's absolutely treat to watch, and it was I don't know what can I say. After listening 21 videos, still I didn't get an Forex strategy, but whatever he said, the analysis I started using on AUD USD. I took one trade in the demo account. When he's moving in my way, the happiness is immense, because now I'm not doing anything like a luck. It will go up or down because I'm doing the chart analysis. And I'm very happy that whichever the direction I predicted, I did a lot of research, step by step process. And when it is going in our way after doing all this analysis, it's immense pleasure, and this I never felt in last 6 months. And thanks to Alibai for making such a wonderful course, and I recommend this course for anyone. In fact, it is a must do course before entering into any live account or the Forex course. If you want to know what is Forex, just join this course. Thank you.